Good morning, welcome to my channel. I'm the Reclusive Crafter, my name is Dawn. I'm walking you today through a little folio that I put together, but I didn't get a chance to finish it, so I just thought I'd walk you through it and show you it in its completion. So I've tied it up with just a little bit of material that I had, which I thought lent itself nicely to the folio. For those of you that haven't seen the video that I did earlier this week, it's a 3-page folio which has been done by a leaflet that came through the door. So we'll start with the front cover. I've just embellished the front cover, and that's literally all I've done, just a little bit of collaging. Then as we come into the folio, we've got a little journal card inside the pocket here, a few little embellishments there, and then we've got a window pocket here with a tag that slides in and out. And I decided to do the window pocket because I thought the tag was really pretty and I thought it would be a shame to hide it. So with the window pocket, it just allows you to see the tag in there. And then we've got another tag very similar here. We've got a two pocket insert here, and we've got a sit and listen to nature. The wording from that is from Scrimping Mummy's. She did a weekly challenge, and that was one of the weekly challenges that she did, and the journal cards are all from her challenges as well that I've put together. So again, if you've never been across to her site, it's absolutely worth a look. She is doing another challenge at the moment. And then on the center page, we've got 3 little tags there, and forgive me, I can't remember where I got these from. They were printed from another crafter, and for the life of me I'm really sorry, I can't remember who they're from, but I've just made little journaling spots on the back of those. And then I've got a couple of little pictures that lends itself nicely to the folio in the little pocket that I popped on the front there. Popped another little pocket on there, which we've got 3 little tickets in there. And then on the top pocket, I've got a couple of little homemade envelopes just out of some scrap paper that I had lying around. And then inside those envelopes, just got a little insert with "Meet me at 7" on one of them, and "Train departs at 2" on the other, which I thought was quite cute. And I've just backed them with a little bit of paper, coffee dyed paper, just to give a little bit of secret journaling space there. And those just slot nice and neatly in the top there. Then we've got the little tickets that go in there. And we've got the 3 little tags that slot nicely into the bottom pocket. And then we've got the 2 journal cards that just pop into that pocket there. So that's all that now. And then over the other side, this is really a reverse of the first side. We've got the pocket there with a similar journal card, but again on the reverse with a slightly different design on it. A couple of little embellishments with labels, and we've got the journal card here, which was part of the Scrimping Mummy designs as well. And we've got another little tag there. Those are actually my designs. And then we've got another little window envelope here with another one of the little tags in. And that just slots. Just pop that in there. And then on the inside back, sorry, I've just been through that one, haven't I? So let's go over to this one. And sorry, this is the inside back. We've just got a little journal card that comes out there with a little girl on. Just a couple of little embellishments just to give it a little bit of something extra with the word beauty on there. And then on the very back page, we have got a little belly band holding in a little booklet. Birthdays and important dates, but it could just be used as a little notebook, to be honest with you. And I just put that together using a little bit of coffee dyed paper, very simple, just a little bit of folded card, rounded the corners, and then just stapled a few little pages in there for the notebook, and then that just slots in there. Like that, and that's it. So that's the little folio that I was putting together that I had so much trouble with the video for earlier this week. I do hope you liked it. Please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, and I look forward to seeing you all again soon. Thank you.